Hello guys, now we will add the AngularJs to our Twig, and we're gonna talk about an issue with Twig and AngularJs because both use the curly braces. So we need to download the AngularJs. Type AngularJs here. Access this, download just 1.6 and download. You will get this file. Create angular.script. That's it. Also, we need to download ng-sanitized file, which will help us, including AngularJs with Twig. We need this file and we need to download it. Yeah, that's it. We have these files. We're gonna copy and paste them in our web. I have already done this, so I have the Angular and AngularJs both files. We're gonna call them in our base. We have both files here. Now we just need to call the module of our application, declare it here. If you know Angular, of course, you need to declare a module for the application in order to inject controllers in it. So script app module Angular that module my app ng-sanitize. This ng-sanitize is this one, this file. We're gonna use it, we need it. If you use AngularJs, just AngularJs in a normal HTML page, you don't need this. But with Twig, we need it in something. We're gonna see it now. So this app module dot config action template provider. So basically we're gonna tell AngularJs you will use this. Basically changing this to this. So there won't be a confusion between Twig and AngularJs. But let's continue this function. Start symbol dot end symbol and that's it. We have the module configured to use this instead of this. We now can use this app module and add to it some controllers in any other files that use this block JavaScript, because we have the block JavaScript under this script, not below it. So let's, for example, use add a controller to a page, for example our index So we need first to declare block JavaScript and this script there. We will call my app module the controller, but before that we need to add this ng-app. Well, I already inserted, and you need to insert it too in the body. You need to insert ng-app my app, which is the same here. Don't forget to add this, to add this ng-app. Also now in the controller we're gonna add this ng controller I have already inserted. You need to insert it too. You can call it whatever you want, and you need to call it with this name. So my index controller. Let's inject scope. We have our scope here. Here we can use our scope, for example, hello words. Let's test this, for example. We'll add it here. We have the hello world, so everything works fine. We have integrated the first user views and now the AngularJs using these. Thanks for watching and see you soon.